The code P132B in the old 6-liter Powerstroke engine refers originally to the problem with the VGT or variable geometry turbocharger system. This is the flap that changes the airflow pattern in the turbocharger, and of course over time it may get stuck and require at least cleaning. But there are several things you may want to check before you even touch the turbocharger or pay for its inspections. First of all, there was an old recall with the reference number 06E17, and there is a software update that eliminates the exhaust pressure sensor from the system. The recall covers 2003-2004 6-liter Powerstroke engines, and you still can get that software update in the dealership. Sometimes this solves the problem with the P132B code and some other errors you can find when scanning your truck with the OBD scanner. Then secondly, there may be problems with the intake or exhaust air leaks, so it makes sense to very carefully investigate the intake pipes and exhaust manifold area to see if there is any leak that may lead to wrong readings of the sensors. Also, the sensors that calculate the amount of air in the engine may fail and set this code in the engine control unit. You should look at the MAF sensor, take it out, clean it, and make sure all the pins in the connector look good. Also, the MAP sensor may be the culprit, but it's much harder to check. Anyway, you can see if there is any wiring problem or connector issue in the MAP sensor. Unfortunately, if these steps fail to help you and you still have the P132B code after you clear it with the scanner, it means that either the EGR valve is clogged and messes up airflow in the engine, or the turbocharger and VGT systems require cleaning. These are not DIY tasks unless you know what you're doing, so you will require professional help.